Happy Thursday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase, and here's your next tip.
If you're really trying to minimize the amount of time and movement between creating features, there are a few easy ways to keep your selections centered on the model. These also make the process seem a lot more fluid, and you don't have to come up to the command manager every time you want to change a tool. The first one I'll mention is the shortcut bar, which, like the others, is context dependent. To open it, just press the S key. Here you can see, in the part, it shows extruded boss, extrude cut, fillet, reference geometry, and the whole wizard tools. If I were to open this in an assembly or a sketch, it would have different options. The other way of accessing commands that I want to mention is the mouse gestures menu. To use that, just right-click and hold while in the graphics window. If you move the cursor, you should get a sort of wheel that pops up. Whatever segment you drag the cursor through, you'll select that. In this case, I just have the 4 main views. This is also easily changed in the same customization menu as the toolbars were changed. The Mouse Gestures tab will allow you to change what options show in which context as shown here. You can also change how many gestures are shown on the wheel at a time, up to 12. Much the same, the shortcut bars can also be edited in their own tab.
Thanks for watching. Contact me if you have any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.